everybody, I'm here in downtown San Antonio Riverwalk. I'm hanging out with my daughter Violet. We're gonna go on the boat ride and check out the Rainforest Cafe, learn a little bit about San Antonio. So why don't you come hang out with us? That's what I had was the Rainforest burger. So we are at the Rainforest Cafe in San Antonio. What are you gonna have for lunch?
I'm gonna have the Korean spicy stir fry.
Oh, that sounds delicious. We'll see what it looks like when it gets here.
Yeah.
And there's gorillas. Violet's rice stir fry looks really good, and I got the cheeseburger, which I always get, which is a pretty awesome cheeseburger, I have to admit. Have a alligator that I can tell. And here's our boat. It's a sturdy vessel.
Well, welcome to San Antonio. Welcome to Riverwalk. How is everybody doing today? Yeah, all right. My name's Anthony.
Awesome.
I have you all for about 2.5 hours, depending on how many boats are out there right now. Just kidding, it's only 30 minutes.
It's like we're
Alright,
partying.
you'll be back here before you know it, don't worry. It's not my rule, you're okay. Keep your frame from any umbrellas. Yeah, no, I apologize.
What do you mean, umbrella?
But we'll start this tour by talking about this hotel on my left-hand side. This is La Mansion Hotel. It was originally St. Mary's School for Boys back in 1853. But the school got too big. It turned into a university. They had to move it. They moved it to the other side of the city where it still is today at St. Mary's School. That building sat there empty for years until 1966 when alumni from St. Mary's came back off an empty building. And then they turned it into a hotel. Because that's what we do down here on the river, y'all. We don't destroy old buildings. We just turn them into hotels. Now don't worry if it looks kind of windy. That's not his fault or typical problem. That's just the Nick's Hospital. That part of the building we're looking at is shaped like a triangle. It's three-sided, and that's what makes it look like a flat building right there.
Oh.
Now, the Nick's Hospital was the first air-conditioned hospital we had out here on the river. When the AC kicked on in 1930, it got down to a nice, brisk, cool 80 degrees. So yeah, they got a river greenery here. Make some noise with it. They think the brakes are already going to be yellow. to the ticket counter, buy your ticket for that. Now we just turned left on the only man-made extension of the river. A lot of people say, well, wait a second, Anthony, so the whole thing is man-made. It's not, ladies and gentlemen, it's a little bit of both. Natural and man-made. I'll tell you why we extended in just a second. I want to shout out the artisan show we have going on. My left and my right. Arts and crafts stuff. You see here, they have bags, jewelry, clothes, artwork. It's a little bit of a way from where you're touring, maybe like 10 minutes away to walk. But if you see something you like, you want to come over here and get touring. So be here till come on. We're going to see the main attraction of the hemisphere. So you might have been calling it the Space Needle all day. Right up there, that is the Tower of the Americas. She's 750 feet tall to the very tip of the building. When you go up there and you have the observation deck, you're only about 560 feet. So if you're afraid of heights, don't worry, it's only 560, that's it. She's made out of 81 pieces of volcanic ash from Mexico. Her artist's name is Pedro Reyes. She has a little star in her hand, pointing to the heavens, constellation. That's what they studied back in the day. Stars, planets, galaxies. And a lot of kids have been calling that star a fidget spinner. Get ready. Stand around there, sit around there. There's also a tattoo right there. Ice right there. Get some stuff. Sit down and watch the music. You have probably also noticed that all these boats out here are all a little different. We do have 5 different designs. There's over 5 different colors. My right, maybe looking at these sculptures. This is all part of the Briscoe Western Museum. It opened in 2013. A lot of cool pieces from the American Western. Anchovias, Las Manzanos, General Santana, Ceremonial Shore. They even have a fully remodeled version of the Stagecoach in there. They do close at 5 today, so you still have plenty of time to check it out. They put the gargoyles at the top and those grotesque faces there to try to burn off bad business and evil spirits. A dude named Ben Malam was across the tree trying to take cover. That tree's just way too tall. The Mexican sniper had a fantastic aim on Mr. Malam. He fatally shot Ben Malam one time and killed him instantly. He dedicated the tree to Ben Malam. Now we're going to be past Running Floodgate 3. So we're going to be back in our shallow part of the river, 3 to 5 feet. A lot of people ask if these gates even work. They do work, ladies and gentlemen. We do about every 4 to 6 years. Remember we drain the river? We'll drain it out. They just did it last year in January. They found all kinds of crazy stuff. Skulls, bears, water bottles. They found over 500 water last year. About 100 pounds of silverware were all rescued. Minutes after Prohibition was lifted. Maybe saying, what took up so long? They even had the longest wooden bar sucker. The whole thing. You're back here again. I do want to thank y'all for riding with me. My name's Anthony. You see me on the river later today, later on your vacation. You can just yell at me. I'll say, don't be shy. Happy birthday to Miss Marilyn again. Happy spring break to all you spring breakers. Let me just tie us. Oh, one last thing to everybody. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. One last thing. For a job well done, tipping your boat captain is allowed, accepted. It's extremely, extremely appreciated. I do have Venmo, I have Cash App. I'll just have to show you the little QR code off my phone. But again, if you need any directions, have questions, I'll be here. Let me just tie us down. Y'all enjoy the rest of your time in San Antonio. We'll see y'all next time. Thank you.
Well, that was the wildest ride in the Riverwalk boat ride. Almost too exciting for us, but very informative. Did you enjoy it? Super cool. There's the Alamo. We're here to go to the basement.
Around it, straight. Hey, I'm just gonna walk around it.
He's drawing a line in the sand. Who's with me, boys? And there's the line. You gonna draw it, Violet?
Yeah.
Who's with me? Oh, you're on our side. And there's Davy Crockett. Very cool statue. He's got all his gear. He's ready to go, and he doesn't give up easy. Well, everybody, that's our trip to San Antonio. We made it to the Alamo, did the Riverwalk tour, and ate at Rainforest Cafe. It was delicious. Anyway, I'm gonna head back to the hotel, upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want y'all to keep on rocking.
One more.